Sometimes the client will come to me in two capacities, really. One, the person who has been victimized. They come to me, sometimes they've called the police, and the police have basically put up their hands and it looks like a civil matter. For instance, in the story I'm talking about, the claim was, well, this was my uncle, and he wanted me to help take care of him, and he gifted me this money. So the police did not want to get involved, but the uncle had a different story, and so he came to me. The other inroad would be when it's a relative that is the perpetrator, and then the family member will contact me and ask if I can investigate or if I can help. There's been an unfair distribution of assets, someone has been exploited. So I'm either talking to the victim or I'm talking to another family member. There's two sides to every story. And in all the cases, there has been a defense, some attempt to cloak what was done with legitimacy. I was trying to help. They wanted to give me this money. The only exception really was a case involving a roofing contractor that ended up charging a woman $52,000 to repair her roof. I think that was...
Sounds excessive for just about any roof.
Correct, yeah. I don't think he had any...
White House or something.
He had no attempt to disguise that as being legitimate. Yeah. But the others have. Okay. And they tend to be very hard-fought cases. The cases, typically the perpetrator will hire counsel and intend to prove that they were entitled to obtain all of this person's money. And in the case I was talking about, I had to take the case to a jury. Got a jury verdict.
Are those hard for jurors to...
Not for the jury. When you get it in front of a jury, I'm a big believer in our jury system. People have a good sense. They're very interested in learning about the case that they're listening to. And I find you can almost always trust a juror to do the right thing. And when they hear these stories in the background and put it all together, it usually just doesn't make sense.
They don't like the helpless victim type of thing.